everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a magic ring, also known as magic circle. This is a super useful technique for starting projects in the round, especially when you want a tight closed center. I'm using a lightweight yarn and 4mm hook. Let's get started. Start by holding the tail end of your yarn in your hand. Wrap the working yarn around 2 fingers to form an X. Hold the crossing point with your thumb. Insert your hook under the first strand, the one closest to your hand, and grab the second strand with your hook. Pull that loop through and twist your hook slightly so it stays on. Now take the yarn from your fingers. It's a little bit tricky. And chain 1 to secure it. That locks the ring in place. Now work your stitches directly into the ring over both the ring and the yarn. You can use any stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, depending on the pattern. Let's make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done with your stitches, pull the yarn tail to close the ring tight. Look at that, no hole in the center. If you are working in joined rounds, slip stitch into your first stitch to close. If you are working in a spiral, you can just keep going. And that's how you make a magic ring. It's a little tricky at first, but once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature and your project will look so much neater. Give the video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Happy crocheting!